What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at a very tiny GoPro-esque style camera. This is the SQ12 Sports Mini DV. It has full HD at 1920 by 1080, super wide angle lens at 155 degrees. Most people have seen what GoPros look like. This is the Eye. This is something I actually looked at a while back. I replaced my GoPro Hero 3 with this because this produced better images. You can check that video out right here. But this is just to give you an idea of the size that we're comparing it to. And this right here is the case. So it's supposed to be very similar to this case, but it's gonna fit this. Couple things here: audio format AVI, video coding MJPEG, 30 frames per second. It does do loop cycle recording. They say it has night vision. It has a built-in 200 milliamp hour battery, so you're gonna get about an hour of full use out of this until you need to charge it again. Charging time takes about 2 hours. The lens on it is a 2.33 millimeter lens. You can put an SD card in there, which is why I brought mine. Where is it? This is it? Are you serious? That is the camera. What? Oh my God. Looks like we've got some sort of a mount here with a swivel, little ball joint on it. Kind of cheap plastic. Now keep in mind, this camera is only like 17 bucks. So I would say no matter how good this is, it's probably still worth it because of how small it is. As long as it can work. Then we got a clip. Looks like you can clip it on stuff. And then we have cables. Okay, so the cable it's a charge cable and it's a video cable all in one. Holy cow. This is officially the tiniest camera I've ever held in my hand. Look how tiny that is. That is crazy small. Okay, cool. Well, there's the lens, Quail Lima. These are the IR sensors for the LED night vision. So here is the charge cable port and the SD or TF card slot. At the top, you've got power and then that's your multi-function. Does this, whoa, whoa. Whoa, okay, so the back just pops off. Okay, well, there's the little baby battery. Okay, cool. Well, we don't actually need to get into there, so I'm closing that back up, hopefully without breaking it. Please don't break. I just opened you. Don't break on me. There we go. All right, let's power it on. Oh, I see a blue light. Oh, there we go. All right, we're gonna need the instructions because I have no idea how to get this thing to work. Well, why doesn't it get user guide? Oh no, this is not gonna be easy. Okay. Okay, so I had to look some of this up because these instructions are awful, but it's actually got a really simple interface. To turn it on, you hold it down and that means it's on. Now, this is in 720 mode. All you gotta do is hit the power button and the light will turn off and now it's recording. Hit it again, now it's not recording. If you hit the M button again, now you're in 1080 mode, and then again with the power is how you start the recording. The red means that it's in picture mode. Now apparently you put it in night vision by holding this down for 2 seconds, and then releasing, and then now it's in night vision mode, I guess. I'll have to test that out, but I'm gonna shoot some footage to show it off. Let me go ahead and open up this, because this is the case for it. Oh my goodness, and it comes with other adapters. Fantastic. So, whoop, there it is. Look at that. Look at that little tiny thing. So this is another little clip. So that goes on there. Now the case comes separately. It's $5. Look at that. And it's even got the little metal buttons like a GoPro does. Now this case, it is waterproof. There we go, it's in. Look at that. Now compare that to that. Look at how tiny that is. There we go. Now, considering the connector on here, this would be compatible with your GoPro accessories. Now, if you don't have GoPro accessories, I unboxed a huge GoPro kit not too long ago. Go check out that video, it's right here. This thing's actually kind of neat. Let's go test this thing out. This is crazy looking. Look how tiny that is. Let's go outside. Okay, so I hope I'm actually recording and I hope you guys can hear me. I don't know if there's a microphone on here. This is the quality that we're looking at. Let's see if we can get some close up on some greenery here. I cannot believe how small this camera is. It's ridiculous. I've actually got the case on it. Smaller than my dash cam. So much smaller than my dash cam. The 720, it's actually not too bad. Keep in mind, for something that's like 17 bucks plus the $5 case, another thing that I didn't actually know is that it has a microphone. It actually doesn't sound too bad as far as a miniature camera to, I don't know, maybe you're trying to catch somebody stealing cookies out the cookie jar, whatever. I think this is a really cool little camera. It's not like the most rugged made camera in the world. I don't think it's meant to be, but it is so tiny. I mean, look at that. Look at that. That is crazy. So cool. Again, I'm gonna leave links down in the description below. Definitely go check it out for yourself. It's in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.